Hey guys, welcome back to Flat Gap Farm. It's all about chickens. And we also have a chicken deal we're going to tell you about at the end of the video that's really awesome for our farm. But today we are merging chickens. We're showing you the first couple weeks with our last batch of chicken nuggets that are in the chicken tractors. So let's get started. And what does that sound mean? We have lots of chicks. Not one brooder, but two. That's right. We are going into the final batch of our chickens. So we have 75 more. And here's the other group. I always forget how cute they are when they're this size. They look like a pretty good group so far. Little puff balls. Well, just like last time, we moved our brooder out here, and of course the temperatures have dipped down into the low 70s, upper 70s throughout the day, and in the 50s at night. So we've got our heat lamps going. We'll probably pull the tarps down just to make sure they stay nice and warm. But our final batch of pasture-raised poultry is here. It just means we got about 8 more weeks of work till we can pack it in for the winter. But they're here. Well, good morning. Checking on our chickies. They have been out here in the brooder. They're about a week and about 3 days old. And they're doing great. We've only lost 2 this whole time. And we'll come over here and check on them. Hey, you're okay. You're all huddled up. It got a little chilly. We've been getting down, I think, into the 50s. Chilly mornings, but they've been doing great, huddled up underneath their lights. And we've only lost 2. We had 75 come in. We've only lost 2, and they're about a week and a half old. So really, really good for their resiliency in this group.
Oh no, one of the chicks is out. Oh, there's 2 out. Oh gosh. I left the wheels on. All right, we'll get you back in. Hold on. We'll get you back in.
And here we are today. This is going to be the start of week 3 for our meat chickens, and you can see we've been moving them on pasture twice a day, every day, moving them throughout our chicken yard. And they are doing great. They're getting trained to how to move the chicken tractors, putting their feet on the ground. Everybody is healthy, plenty of sunshine, bugs, grass. But these guys are turning 3 weeks old. Plus we got a few of those future egg layers, some Rhode Island Reds over there that we've kept with the flock. It just makes it easier to raise them up and grow them, and they're not ready to go in with the other ones. So we're going to continue to move these. They've got about 5 more weeks, and then they will be ready for processing. So we're excited about them. The last batch of the season, I tell you, it's been great. We've done more birds than we've ever done before. But man, we're tired and looking forward to a break. Excited for the fall. Now on to the great merge. We've got to move the chickshaw over to the chicken yard. Hey. All right, so we're merging the 2 flocks, Buzz and his crew, which some of these are the eggs we hatched before. And then we've got the latest crew right here.
You checking them out? Hmm?
Circling them up. Y'all think I have food, so it's not really a good opportunity to interview everybody. So Buzz, tell me what you think about the merge so far, huh? You feel like the merge is going good? You do? Feel like the merge is going good? Well, there's a couple of roosters, I think, in there that would probably try to challenge you, so we're gonna keep them separate for a little bit longer. Let them get used to seeing each other. But they're good looking roosters and hens in there. Should be ready to lay any day now. And we try to leave them together for about a week, let them get used to each other, but today is the day where we combine the flocks. All right, so we're getting ready to merge them. All we're gonna do is prop up the chicken tractor with some buckets. Now, for the squeamish of heart, there is a pecking order. There is a true chicken pecking order. Sometimes it's not pretty, but it is just the natural order of things. So it's gonna take them a couple of days getting used to where to go, and then eventually we will put them all together in our brand new chicken tractor, which we are building right now.
It's hard to tell who
Oh, yeah. It's just the natural order, but he's got to assert. Oh no, he's got to assert his dominance, babe. I know. It's a little nerve-wracking. We're not going to show everything. We're going to let them do their thing. It's the first time they've been out of a chicken tractor since they have been born. Some may not come out. They're going to have to learn that the fence is electric.
Stark line, chicken netting.
There's a lot of space.
Yeah, there's enough room. They can kind of
But Buzz has got to show his
be
dominance.
in little clicks. They're pretty roosters, though.
They are.
That one was hard to tell who was Buzz and not.
Well, and he's kind of molting right now. All right. So the old ones are going to peck the young ones, and oh man, we may have some that fly out. Hopefully not.
Little skinny rooster.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we're going to let them be for a little while.
They'll settle.
Yeah, they will settle after they get their order. We'll leave that propped up. That's probably where they'll go tonight, and we'll just leave it up.
And Buzz will chill out after a while.
Yeah. Well, that's how you merge your chickens. You got two flocks. It's never going to be easy. You just don't watch it for more than you need to. But like Lauren said, they'll settle down eventually. and hopefully over time they'll become some kind of friends,
They will.
or at least they're older.
Yeah.
And even the ones that were the older ones, they still fight all the time. The hens never get along, but it just takes some time. It's not going to happen overnight, but that's how we do it. And maybe those that are in the chicken tractor will eventually come out. But there's one rooster who is not moving. He's like, nope,
Is it a hen and a
not
rooster?
going. It's a few of them.
There's 2 hens and a rooster.
All right, Buzz, be nice. Assert your dominance, but don't hurt nobody. Like that. Oh, oh my goodness. Okay. Goodness gracious. Now that everything's calmed down, we have struck up a deal with Allard Bakery and Bistro in Hudson, North Carolina. Well, we just delivered our pasture-raised poultry to our new partners, the Allard Bakery and Bistro. It's a fine dining experience here in Hudson, North Carolina. They really believe in farm to table, and we are so blessed to be partnered with them. So we're providing our chickens, and we've got a working relationship with them. Great people. So if you're ever in this area of North Carolina, come on out. The food is fantastic. Plus,
Delicious.
yes. Plus, you get Flat Gap Farms pasture-raised poultry on their menu. So appreciate you guys watching today as we merge our chickens. We got more meat birds, and we have our new deal with our farm and the Allard restaurant. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video.